Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites so changes behave predictably. Open Visual Studio 2022, load your solution, and pick the project you want to retarget. Once selected, go to Project Properties for a GUI change or right-click and choose Edit Project File to update the target framework element. This is faster for multi-target projects. Make sure the target NET SDK is installed first, because Visual Studio reflects only installed frameworks. Once the project file is updated, restore packages and run a clean build to surface compatibility errors. You should update NuGet packages that target older frameworks and replace deprecated APIs where needed. If you use multi-targeting, ensure conditional package reference items are correct. Also check global JSON to lock SDK versions and inspect runtime config. JSON after build. These control which SDK/runtime gets used. Make iterative edits and rebuild until compile errors are resolved. You finish by rebuilding the entire solution and running your test suite to verify behavior under the new framework. Next, update publish profiles, hosting settings like IIS or Docker base images, and republish to a staging slot. If something fails, make sure the required SDK/runtime is installed on the build or host machine. Clear the NuGet cache, and inspect build and runtime error logs. This single troubleshooting step often reveals missing assemblies or mismatched.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.